Students, in this video we will be doing another type of decimal division. Now if, like your sum number 8 given in exercise 17, if there is point in both the dividend as well as the divisor. So you can see that the dividend is also a decimal number, the divisor is also a decimal number. But you have to notice one thing, that is, here before one number there is point, and here also before one number from the end there is point. So there is one rule: if decimal point is before equal number of decimal places in both dividend and divisor, decimal point get cancelled. So this is a new rule. If decimal point is before both the numbers, dividend as well as the divisor, but if it is before equal number of decimal places, so after the point the numbers we call decimal places. So if the point is before equal number of decimal places, that means the dividend is having the point before one decimal value, and here also the point is before one decimal place. So here also the point exists before one decimal number, that is 2. Here also the point occurs before one decimal number, that is 9. So if they have points in both dividend and divisor but before equal decimal places, we can neglect the point. So the sum will be treated as 72 divided by 9, because they had point in both the dividend and the divisor before one number. That means after point they both are having only one decimal place, only one figure is there. Here 2 and there you have 9. So this will be treated as a simple sum, and 72 divided by 9 means 9 8s are. So the answer will be pure number not having any point. It will be 8 only, because the sum has reduced to a, from the decimal numbers we have cancelled the points and it is a pure number. So you don't have any point over here. One more sum I will be doing under this method. Now let us take this example. 702.48 divided by 0.36. Here the dividend is also a decimal number, divisor is also a decimal number. Now you need to count, when both are decimal number, you need to count before how many decimal places you have point. So in dividend, before 2 places you are having point. In the divisor also before 2 places you have the point. So you have to start from the ending. See, you have before 2 numbers point, here also before the 2 digits there is point. So if the point is placed before equal number of decimal places, in the dividend also before 2 places and in the divisor also before 2 places, then what to do? We can neglect the points. Okay, so if we write like this, 702.48 divided by 0.36, the point gets cancelled and we can do the sum. It reduces into a pure sum, that is 70248 divided by 36, and you all know how to divide normally any pure number. So 36 into 2 gives you 72. 36 twos gives you 72, so we cannot take, so 36 ones are 36. Then what is the remainder? 34 is the remainder. With that, 34 is a number which is lesser than 36. We cannot divide, so we have to take the next number 2. So now you have to try 36 into how much can give you 342. Now see, 36 tens gives you 360, which is greater than this number. So you try to find out 36 into 9. So 36 into 9 gives you 324. 36 into 9 gives you 324. Lesser than this, so we can take 36 nines are 324. Now the remainder. Subtract from 340 to 324. So it is giving 18. Now you have to take the next number. 18 cannot be divided by 36, so you can take the next number. So just multiply. Random, you have to think about number. 36 into 1 or 2 will not give you 184. I am trying 36 into 4. It gives 144. 36 into 5. We have to check every time which is giving the nearest number. It gives 180. So we will take 36 fives are 180. Nearest value has to be taken. 4 is left, and from here 8. Now 36 cannot divide 48 exactly. 36 ones gives you 36. So what is the remaining? 12. So 12 is the remainder. Now you have to, 12 cannot be divided by 36. Now you have to take a point over here and add 1 0. Now 36, now try to divide. 36 fours are 144, so you have to try of a lesser number. 36 into 3, 108. So 36 into 3 will give 108. What is the remainder? Again 12 is the remainder. So again we will take 1 0 because we have taken 1 point, and 36 threes gives you again 108. So this type of sum is known as recurring sum, recurring decimal, because it will be not ending. 0.3333 you will get like this. So stop after going 2 decimal places. You have to stop over here. So this is the quotient, or this is the answer of division. So first what is happening? The point is going away because you have point before equal decimal places. Then neglecting the point, the sum is reduced to pure number, division of pure numbers. And once you started the division, you got to see that you have to place a point to get 1 0. Otherwise division is not possible, as the number is lesser than 36. So to make the number more than 36, with 12 we have taken 1 0. And then if you continuously divide, you will find that 36 threes every time will come. So we are just moving after 0.2 decimal places and we are stopping there, and that is the answer.